Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox Arceus X Neo. First, visit the official Arceus X Neo website using your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Download section, usually prominent on the home page. Click the Download button for the latest version available. Make sure to choose the correct file for your operating system to prevent compatibility issues. This initial step is crucial for a smooth setup process. After downloading, locate the installer file, typically in your Downloads folder. Before running it, temporarily disable your antivirus software to prevent false positives from interfering. Double-click the installer and proceed through each step, accepting the terms and conditions. The installation usually takes less than 1 minute to complete. Once finished, launch the Arceus X Neo application, preparing it for its key generation process. To activate Arceus X Neo, you need an access key. Click the Get Key button presented on the application's main interface. This action will redirect your browser to a series of verification steps, often involving linkvertise. Carefully follow the prompts to complete the human verification, which typically involves viewing ads or completing simple tasks. After successfully navigating these steps, your unique key will be displayed. Copy this key immediately. Now, launch your desired Roblox game. Once the game is fully loaded, return to the Arceus X Neo application. Paste the key you copied into the designated field and click Verify to proceed. Next, click the Inject button to attach Arceus X Neo to the running Roblox instance. This crucial process typically takes only a few seconds to complete. After successful injection, you can then paste your desired script into the executor's text area and click Execute to run it within your game.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.